All right, team. I am also observing another asset, which is Nzdcad. I'm looking at the New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. I'm looking at the Nzdcad, right? And I want to give y'all guys a market idea for Nzdcad as well. This is May 4th, 2025 on a Sunday. This is pre-market analysis. All right, let's get to work. This is the daily time frame, as you can see. This is the daily, right? So we see that the market established a high up here at the top. This is the peak high, right? Okay, let's look. Let's pay attention. Pay attention, team. Pay attention. I'm gonna show you how we're gonna do this. This is a skill set that can change your life. All you have to do is pay attention. It's free to pay attention. I'm giving you the content. I'm giving you the information for free. Don't be foolish. Pay attention and let me show you how to get this bag. We're gonna get this bag. Let me show you how to get this bag. This is the peak high. Let's get to work. We have the low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, low, no. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, right? We have somewhat of an equal high here. Market breaks down right here. This is the major break. Look at the major break. Look at the major break to the low. This is the lowest point of the market. This is the lowest point of the market. This is what we call our peak low, right? Because this market broke this area here in a downtrending market, it's safe to say that the market is continuing to sell. It's continuing to short, right? This is our bearish choke. This is our bearish choke. From this choke, the market pulls up, sells from this zone. And from this area, right, the market creates a low, fails to break this lowest low. We have a failure to break right here. So the market is beginning to what? Contract. The market is beginning to contract in this area. It's beginning to accumulate in this area, right? So the market comes down, comes up, comes down, comes up, comes down, comes up. From this area, the market sweeps liquidity, has enough volume to push down and break. Guys, we have a strong break right here, right? Pay attention. We have a break because once we establish that the market is selling, right? Once we establish that the market is selling off, we know that it's selling off because of the choke that was created on the daily. The market bias is bearish. We're looking for key zones to continue the sell of the market. Pay attention. From this low, this low right here was breaking. So we saying, okay, the market is beginning to sell back in its original direction. A break of structure to the low is always a sign that the market wants to continue to sell. So what we're doing here on the daily, this is what we was looking at, right? This is how I established my zones and why I'm looking at the way I'm looking at things, right? We have this break, major break to the low. The market pulls all the way back up 100% within this zone. From this zone right here, guys, we're looking for the 4 hour to begin to turn over, right? We're looking for the 4 hour to begin to turn over. Let's go to the 4 hour. In this 4 hour within this zone, we see that the market is creating liquidity. The market is buying up, buying up, buying up, buying up. But what we need to see is we need to see that the market is turning over to continue to sell in the daily. We need to see the market turning over to continue to sell in the daily. Okay, so this is what we see. We're looking for the breaks. We're looking for the breaks of structure. We have a break here. We have a break here. We have a break here. This is the major low that we're looking to see get broken. This market breaks. So on the 4 hour, we established that the 4 hour is turning over. The 4 hour is now going bearish, right? Because if you see the daily is going bearish and you see that the 4 hour is bullish, you want to wait till the 4 hour turns over and also go bearish so that you can start positioning yourself to trade with the overall directional bias of the market, which on the daily we have already confirmed is shorting the market. The daily is selling off. 4 hour just broke this major low. The 4 hour is beginning to sell off. We go to the 1 hour. What is happening at the 1 hour, guys? What is happening at the 1 hour? This is what we see that's happening at the 1 hour. I've already called a major move on this actually, but I want to pull y'all up to speed on what we're looking for this week and try to trade in the direction of the trend. Pay attention. Pay attention. This is the major break. Let's get to work. This is our trading range from the break, right? We're looking for the market to go into we have the premium at the bottom. We have the discount at the bottom. We have the premium at the high. We're looking for the market to sell back, to buy back up into a premium area so that we can continue to sell. This is our volume within the zone. This is our volume. Pay attention. We're looking for the volume area for a reason, right? This is where most of the attention of the market was. This is our volume area. This is where we most likely get a strong reaction. And we're always looking through probabilities on areas where we can get strong reactions in the market. Okay, we see on the 1 hour, right? On the 1 hour, this market choked to the low, created a choke to the high, and began to turn over. We have a breaker structure, we have a choke, we have a breaker structure. The market has created a 1 hour demand zone. We have the choke here, right? We have the choke. We have the choke. The market choked up to the high. Market is pulling down. We're looking for an area in this zone, right? We're looking for an area within the zone that's going to continue to counter trend back up into the supply zone that we're looking for to catch the sell, to continue to sell. So right here on the 1 hour in real time, right now on the 1 hour in real time, the market is going bullish. We need on the 1 hour in real time, the market to begin to turn bearish. Once we establish that, then we can continue to sell in the direction of the overall market, which is the daily, which is selling. The 4 hour, which is selling. The 1 hour, we need the 1 hour to turn over into a sell so we can take the market. So once the market reaches this zone up here, right? Once the market reaches this zone up here, we want to see the market begin to turn around, show us a price pattern or something to indicate that the market wants to continue to sell. But right now we see that the market is already choked to the high. The market is establishing that it's counter trending. It is counter trending, and we're looking for the market to continue to counter trend up into our zone. So then, and in this zone, we're looking to take the market down. So right now, guys, the market is counter trending. If the market come to this level and create some type of bullish pattern here, we can potentially take this market up to this level for about 84 pips. Okay, this is a good buy zone if the market established and give us some type of buy price pattern at that low. We'll buy this up, and it will be a counter trend, which is a risky place. If you want to wait for this market to play out and just look for the sell position, that would be in your best interest because the market is overall selling. Stay tuned, guys. And once again, this is Nzdcad.